I think it's important to tap your network, especially if you're a founder. Everyone's interviewing, and maybe someone isn't like the right fit for someone's company, they'll be a good fit for yours. So definitely use who you know first. I love AngelList. I love LinkedIn. I love this website called Startup Hire. And then, of course, I want to plug my own group, Thrive Network, especially if, diversity is one of your goals in your team. That group is full of it. And so there's the website. You can head over to thriveandcs.com, join the Slack group, post a job description. But I'm using that as an example to also point out that you always want to go where people are looking for professional development. That's where you're going to find like the biggest network of support folks and success folks.